For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The first batch of 5 Rafale jets flew out of France today. The fighter jets will be officially inducted into the Indian Air Force fleet in Ambala on July 29th. The induction of the multi-role fighter is expected to add strength to IAF's fighter squadrons. These 5 aircraft will be the first batch of the 36 planes bought by India from France in a 59,000 crore rupees deal in 2016. 12 IAF pilots and engineering crew members are fully trained on the Rafale fighter jets. The aircraft will be reportedly refueled mid-air and on land at French Air Base in the United Arab Emirates on their way to Haryana. The Indian ambassador to France interacted with the Indian pilots before they took off from France. Bon voyage! Indian ambassador to France interacts with the Indian pilots of the Rafale, congratulates and wishes them a safe flight to India with a single hop. Hashtag Resurgent India, hashtag New India, hashtag Rafale. The Indian Embassy also tweeted that this was a new milestone achieved in strengthening strategic partnership between India and France. New milestone in India-France defense cooperation to further strengthen strategic partnership. First batch of 5 Rafale fighter aircraft fly out of Mergnac, France to India. Rafale fighter jets are capable of carrying a range of highly effective weapons. The Rafale jets will come with various India-specific modifications including Israeli helmet-mounted display system, radar warning receivers and tracking system among others. Javed Ashraf, Indian ambassador to France, thanked Dassault for delivering these aircraft on time. These 5 Rafale jets are extremely swift, versatile and very deadly aircraft. They're both beauty and beast. I would like to thank Dassault for delivering aircraft on time and French government and French Air Force for all the support. The Air Force base in Ambala, Haryana has readied the required infrastructure to welcome the jets in its lineup. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh held a telephonic conversation with his French counterpart who ensured the delivery of the first batch despite the pandemic. Last year, Rajnath Singh had gone on a 3-day tour to France to take part in the handover event at the facility of Dassault Aviation. Mergnac area of Bordeaux is located around 590 kilometers away from the French capital, Paris. Rajnath Singh had taken a 20-minute sortie in the aircraft after performing a puja on the aircraft.